Hello. I've got a unboxing slash reviews, unpackaging actually. But this is a toolkit shipped from Amazon, and it did ship in a large Amazon branded padded envelope, and then it's in this padded envelope as well. As you can see, it's not a small kit, it's pretty big. I just sliced it open, that's all I did, just to make it a little easier. And just arrived, so I'm not even really sure what's in it, except, you know, what I saw. The price right now is $25 on Amazon Prime shipping, and it is called the Aosky. It's Aosky, Aosky, Professional Precision Magnetic Screwdriver Sets, 70-in-1 electronic repair toolkit. Kinds of screwdriver bits apply to phone, iPhone, iPad, watch, tablet, PC, laptop, and more. Yeah, okay. But as you can see, there's this plastic, you know, on the front here. First thing I noticed actually was how heavy this was. It feels nice. I mean, the box itself is well made. The carrying case here. Yeah, there's a little tab where you can hang it up if you need to, which I have some of my stuff hung up in the basement on walls, which is nice. We have a list of all the different bits that are included. Accessories here. I guess it's Chinese. I can't read that. Oh no. Made in China is what it says here. But we have locking on the side here. Opens up like so. Now we have a little pry bar here, which is, I think that's kind of cool actually. Wow, okay. This is an extension for the screwdriver handle, for the small handle I should say, for this one. I don't think it'll work with that one. But here's the handle here, and it does have a little swivel on the back, which is nice. I don't actually think I'd use these, but I have another set that has something similar, and I actually do use the little spinning end there. Here is the end. I believe it would be called a collet. I believe it's what they're called. And you tighten, and it tightens down around it as you screw it in. Oh, okay, there's a little pin here, so this mates with that, so it fits in there. And here is the bigger driver handle, and it's magnetic as well. Apparently there's a little, ouch, that hurt. A piece stuck in my finger. Okay, there we go, it's out of my finger now. And this would be for whatever you need it for, obviously. I don't know why it moves like that. Oh, okay, there we go. It pulls out. Okay, that's why. And you can put the pry bar in there too if you wanted to, obviously. But this way you can extend it out to where you need to. It locks into place. You can use the various bits here for it. Let me see. Yeah, here's a small one there. There's the tiny ones, which actually will fit in that end. Some are used for this one, some are used for the other one. It is magnetic end. Let me see. Okay, these go in here, and then these would be for this, like so. They are the bigger size, obviously. And one thing nice about this set, which I've always wanted to get actually, so I really wanted this one for review, this has the security Torx bits in it actually. I don't know if you've ever seen them before. They have a hole in the center of them, because sometimes you get the Torx or, you know, the star screws that have a pin sticking out in the middle and you really can't get to them. Because, well, because it's made like that. And we go all the way down to tiny, tiny, tiny. Look at that one. This is, it seems like a decent set to me here. I like it a lot, actually. My other one, oh, I can grab it here real quick. This is the one I have over, a little dusty, over, it's a basic one just by my desk that I keep. And it has, you know, just a few in it. Yeah, it's not perfect, but this one's made specifically for phones and stuff like that. But I wanted something that was nicer, you know. So I offered to review this one, and I said, sure, why not? Because the sockets seem nicely made here. You got the markings on them, 13mm down to 5mm. Everything in between here. Now these ones, wow, I can't even read that. It looks like 5.5, maybe. Who knows what this one's gonna be? 2.5. Okay. So everything in between there. Obviously, these two rows here are with the bigger handle, and then these rows are with the smaller handle and the attachment, which I already showed you, of course. Which will, ouch, that hurt. I just stabbed myself on the, okay, well, there we go. So we have this, and then, see, they're magnetic, it kind of sticks in there. I like this set, I really do. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. This one is going to be not in my toolbox. It's going to be sitting over here on my desk. Some basic stuff here that lists on the specs there. Multiple occasions, high quality material. Screwdriver head itself is not magnetic, and only after inserted into the handle then it can be stuck to screws. Okay. Non-slip rubber design, extension rod, compact portable, easy to use. What if there's a list here? Nah, just 70-in-1 precision kit. A screwdriver big handle featuring magnetic socket and a ball bearing mount swivel on top. Screwdriver small handle extension. One screwdriver operating tool. Okay. Whatever. Anyway, I do like this set. This is it's interesting. I've never really seen one. There we go. This has the pin in it, so it's kind of harder to get out. But I like this. This is a neat little. This is a neat little tool. I've never seen one like this. I have a bunch of different sets actually, because I've done a lot of computer work over the years. I've bought in other sets, and I have other regular tools and all that. But this one here is actually it seems nice. I mean, quality-wise, first impressions and all that, it seems good. It seems nicely done. There's a little bit extra, rubber sticking out here on the edges, but that's just the rubber coating part. I'm really not worried about that. Not like there's extra plastic that you find on some of these sets. Does this come out? No. Okay, now I thought the bit holders might come out. Sometimes they do. I don't know, that's about it. Aosky toolkit. Longevity, I'm not sure. Obviously, I can't really tell you that. And I don't see anything about what they're made of. It just says high quality materials here. Wow. They are rather... They're oiled, sorry. They are oiled. We do have numbers on here. CRVH4. To let you know what they are. Anyway, as for longevity, I'm not sure. That's one of the things, about the less expensive kits. You'd find that the tips break easily. But these are like a blackened color, by the way. They're not silver. I don't know if you can really see that in the video. But they're not silver. I don't know. I like it. Just as is, as opening it and all that. The case is very nice. It does have little clips on here, but I'm not sure you'd ever find a lock for that. For that small. I mean, they're tiny. But as is, like this, I like it. I mean, for $25, I'd be happy with it. But that's about it. I think it's a nice kit. Again, not sure about longevity. The case is nice as well. It's sturdy, locks tightly, so you don't have to worry about anything coming out, falling out, or anything like that. And they touch, basically almost touch the top, very close, so they're not going to fall out You know, no matter what you do in your bag, you know, in your bag or something like that. That came out a little bit, but oh well. It ain't gonna go anywhere, as it were. That's it. Decent toolkit. Thanks.